Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English for Everyone podcast. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Joey. We are so happy to have you with us today. Today, we are going to explore the world of modern living. We want to talk about how we navigate our social lives, our careers, and our personal growth.
That's right, and today we are getting hip. We are talking about 2026 internet slang. What does Riz and aura mean?
Slang, Rachel. I used to be cool. I knew the words. But now I open the internet and I feel like I'm reading a foreign language. My nephew told me I had negative aura because I wore socks with sandals. I was baffled.
Baffled. That means completely confused. Joey, aura is huge right now. It's your vibe or your energy. If you do something cool, you gain aura points.
Aura points. So if I trip and fall in public, I lose aura?
Exactly. It's a metaphorical score for how impressive you are. It's trendy, but also a bit silly.
Trendy. That means popular right now. Okay, I can work on my aura, but what about Riz? Is that a type of cracker or a new car?
No, Riz is short for charisma. It's your ability to attract or flirt with someone. If you are smooth, you have mad Riz.
Riz. Mad Riz. I'm using that on my wife tonight. I'll say, hey, honey, check out my unspoken Riz.
Unspoken Riz is when you attract people just by looking cool without saying a word. Good luck with that, Joey.
I'll need it. Now, Rachel, what is a sigma? My coworker called our boss a sigma female. Is that a math symbol?
It is a Greek letter, but in slang, a sigma is a lone wolf, someone who is successful, independent, and doesn't care about social rules.
Lone wolf. So someone who is cool and does their own thing. That sounds stoic.
Stoic. That's a great high-level word. It means enduring pain or hardship without showing feelings. Sigmas are often stoic.
Okay, Rachel, let's talk about the food slang. I saw a video of a giant sandwich and the comments were just full of the word gyat. I looked it up and I'm still confused.
Gyat is a slang exclamation. It's short for "God damn." People use it when they are surprised or impressed by something big or shocking.
Exclamation. So it's like wow or holy cow. But it sounds more like a sneeze, Rachel. Gyat.
Exactly. But be careful, it's very informal. Don't say gyat in a business meeting, Joey. It's cringe.
Cringe. That's when something is so awkward it makes you feel uncomfortable, right? Like my dad trying to dance on TikTok?
Precisely. Cringe is the ultimate insult on the internet. You want to be based, not cringe.
Based, like a building or a chemical.
Based means being yourself and not caring what other people think. It's the opposite of being fake.
Based. I like that. It's about integrity. That's a strong word for being honest and moral.
It is. And finally, let's talk about delulu.
Delulu. That sounds like a cartoon character. Is it short for something?
It's short for delusional. It means believing something that is not true, like thinking you are going to marry a movie star.
Delusional. So if I think I'm the best English speaker in the world, I'm being delulu?
Just a little bit, Joey, but we say delulu is the salulu.
Salulu. Oh, solution. So being crazy is the answer? That's absurd, Rachel.
Absurd. That means wildly unreasonable or illogical. It's just internet humor, Joey. It means dreaming big can help you succeed.
Dreaming big. I can get behind that. Well, Rachel, I'm feeling very based right now. I'm going to go increase my aura by learning 5 new words.
Your aura is off the charts, Joey. Let's review our 2026 slang vocabulary. Vocabulary review. 1. Baffled.
Meaning totally bewildered or perplexed, confused. Example, I was baffled by the new software update. Nothing was where it used to be.
2. Trendy.
Meaning very fashionable or up to date. Example, using AI to generate art is very trendy right now.
3. Charisma/Riz.
Meaning compelling attractiveness or charm that can inspire devotion in others. Example, he doesn't have much riz, but he's a very kind person.
4. Stoic.
Meaning a person who can endure pain or hardship without showing their feelings or complaining. Example, he remained stoic throughout the long meeting, even when things got difficult.
5. Exclamation.
Meaning a sudden cry or remark, especially expressing surprise, anger, or pain. Example, ouch is a common exclamation when you stub your toe.
6. Informal.
Meaning having a relaxed, friendly, or unofficial style, manner, or nature. Example, the office has an informal dress code, so you can wear jeans and a t-shirt.
7. Cringe.
Meaning slang, causing feelings of embarrassment or awkwardness. Example, watching my old home movies is so cringe, I can't believe I used to dress like that.
8. Integrity.
Meaning the quality of being honest and having strong moral principles. Example, she is a woman of great integrity. She always does the right thing even when no one is looking.
9. Delusional.
Meaning characterized by or holding idiosyncratic beliefs or impressions that are contradicted by reality. Example, he's delusional if he thinks he can learn a new language in just 1 week.
10. Absurd.
Meaning wildly unreasonable, illogical, or inappropriate. Example, the idea that cats can talk is completely absurd.
11. Integrity.
Meaning the quality of being honest and having strong moral principles. Example, she is a woman of great integrity. She always does the right thing even when no one is looking.
12. Off the charts.
Meaning much higher than expected or previously recorded, extremely high. Example, the demand for this new smart grocery list app is off the charts.
Use this bridge to explore the world. We are always here to help you.
Don't forget to check our community tab. We have a poll waiting for you.
Until next time, keep practicing and stay positive.
Bye-bye.